Kaio and I'm here with Lily. Today I want to start teaching her the flare and I will give her roughly 1 month to learn 1 round. If you want to know her level, check out the previous video we made, link in the description. Have you ever tried the flare before?
Not really, on the machine, but...
Ah yeah, right. The first exercise, and sit. Oh, you can do it. Now I'm going to show you the flare start. From here, just slide and lift up the other leg. Yes, now we did it with the legs bent, like this. Kick straight up, kick. Yes, slide even more. Slide. Yes, this leg goes inside, you kick, and you go behind. Yeah. Don't wait here on the center, but immediately go. Yes, very good. From here, kick this leg up and go with this leg down. So just doing this. Slide, 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 and finish the movement. From here, do this. Slide and lift it up. You combine all the steps together and you do the first round of flare, but very, very slowly. From here, slide, change, and go behind, like this. Ui, che male! Slide.
Ok, sei pronta?
Sì.
Pro. Ok, un altro, let's go. Yes. Quando stai per finire il giro, quando stai per strisciare, praticamente dovresti spingere con questo braccio, devi spingere il tuo corpo su. Praticamente quando sei qua, questa la pieghi e con questa ti catturi e poi finisci.
Bravissima! Aia!
Mi stavo chiedo. Dovresti puntare a non abbassare il bacino nel momento in cui lo porti verso il lato destro. Quindi non è solo un fattore di gambe ma anche di bacino.
So, how was your experience?
I didn't expect it to be much different. The progression is very clear because you break down things in a very easy and clear way. So
Thank you.
that was really helpful, and I think it wasn't hard, it wasn't easy, but it was the way it was supposed to be. But I wouldn't have learned so much if your explanation wouldn't have been as good.
After 1 month, how did you expect your flare to be?
To
After
be
1 month?
honest, I have no idea because I've never seen a flare progression like in real life. I've seen someone do it, but never like learning it. So I'll rely on you for this.
Okay. Will you keep practicing the flare after this video or will you stop?
No, yeah, I will keep trying to do 1 round and maybe more.
I think your progress was good. You should work more on your strength, in my opinion, on exercises like the L-sit variations, even the tuck planche with your knees bent.
Thank you for your patience, because I know I might give you a hard time, and just thank you for being patient, yeah.